Hey, I'm Jeff Mack with Jeff Mack Designs, and we build custom furniture out of Mississauga, Ontario. Over the years, as the business grew, we built our team up, and having a larger team allowed us to take on bigger projects. One of the things I love most about having the Festool system in our shop is the amount of time savings that it provides, such as the use of domino connectors. Right now, we've got a king-size bed frame going through our shop. This piece is actually being shipped down to Colorado. Typically, we would hand deliver our furniture because most of our clients are local. But in this case, we're going to use domino connectors to be able to flat pack it, ship it to the customer, then the customer can assemble it when it arrives. One of the ways Festool has allowed us to open up a few new doors in terms of furniture building is less cleanup because of the dust collection, better quality, faster in most cases. The Festool system makes it all possible.